Aioz Network. So Aioz Network have set up basically a network for deepin, whether it's decentralized storage, sharing computational resources, and in a year where deepin is going to be a massive narrative, Aioz looks like it could be primed to do very, very well, particularly because it's not on a number of the exchanges out there. So things actually look pretty positive for this one. And I'm going to talk about where potentially this can go. Before I get into it though, guys, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. They were ones I expected were going to make me a lot of cash. If you'd have done the same, popped $100 into each of the coins when I released the videos about them, all you would have needed to do is sit on those coins for 16 months and then sell them, and your total profit in under a year and a half would have been over 123 grand. That's basically a house in a year and a half from a $2,600 investment. Now, you don't have a year and a half to get anything sorted. We're in a bull cycle. So if you're looking to make that kind of money, now is the time to sort your portfolio out. If you're unsure, lacking confidence in the coins you own, or you don't have a portfolio, now is the time to do something about it. If you go to copymycrypto.com, have a look at the site. That's the site I run where I share my portfolio with my members. So whenever I buy a crypto, I tell my members what crypto I'm going to buy and at what price. Whenever I sell, I tell my members what crypto I'm going to sell and at what price. This means my members make the exact same profit as me because they're in and out of the cryptos at the same price. The added bonus for my members is obviously they don't have to do any work. And if you go onto the site, you'll see what my members have earned. You'll see the successes we've had. It's all public records, all on the history of this channel. You can verify it all. If you like what you see, guys, try the service out, because if you're looking at waiting 4 or 5 months for your portfolio to get sorted, it's going to be too late. You're going to watch everyone else making great money in these markets while you don't. Now, Aioz. So, Aioz has been around for a little bit. It launched in April of 2021, really tanked, didn't launched at quite a high and never really got back to that high. Actually dropped really low in this bull cycle, like dropped to, basically 1 cent or 1.2 cents. And has since had a very good year. It went from 1.1 cent all the way up to $1 before pulling back. Now, why is this? Well, it's a deepin network. It's a network for deepin for Web3, whether it's for Web3, AI storage, and streaming. The idea is that they've set up a global network of deepins, and Aioz rewards you for sharing your computational resources for storing, transcoding, and streaming digital media content, and powering decentralized AI computation. Good sign, by the way, is that their entire supply is out. Now, you can so if you wanted to check it out, they have, or they're going to have, on-demand live Web3 video streaming. That is coming soon. They're obviously in the process of working on that at the moment. There are Aioz nodes as well. So you can make your computer work for you. With an internal connection, you can power the Aioz network and be rewarded in Aioz tokens. There are 182,000 nodes, and they have delivered over 7,000 terabytes, which is staggering. So your nodes power the entire network. So all you need to do is contribute spare storage on your hard drive, and you'll enable the Aioz network to store media and data in a fast and secure decentralized manner. You can spare bandwidth for delivery of media and data. You can help transcoding and AI computation by allowing access to your CPU and GPU. You can see nodes around the world. Obviously, Europe is hella active. Asia, pretty good as well, 40,000 in Asia. And in America, 67,000. And all you need to do is download the Aioz Node app. It's a one-click installation, and you get up and running. And you just earn. Your computer earns you money. It's a nice, simple way to sort of build your crypto holdings and not put yourself and without actually having to put in any money, which is a good sign. The Aioz ecosystem. Why is that doing that? The Aioz ecosystem. So we have Blockchain partners are Polygon, Avalanche, Aptos, and Psi. Aptos, I swear. I need to have a look at what's happened to Aptos. I've not seen that in a while. Blockchain partners, DEX partners, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. As of right now, they are really padding out their sort of their ecosystem by putting in the centralized exchanges. But you will notice Coinbase, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Gate. There is no Binance as of yet. They do have the infrastructure stuff, which is Aioz DPIN, Aioz W3S, and so Web3S. You got Web3 IPFS, which is decentralized NFT storage. And coming this this quarter and next quarter, you got the streaming as well as the AI. So again, earnings will be able to go through the roof, especially when the streaming comes through. I imagine anyone that's running a node will be able to earn very, very nicely. Now, the reality is decentralized physical infrastructure networks are an actual use case for crypto. There is a lot of bollocks in the crypto markets. There's a lot of projects that don't do much, and there's a lot of projects that do. But the ones that have real world impacts, like the decentralized physical infrastructure networks, whether it's a Helium or high random one like a Hive Mapper or whatever, they have a use case, they have a point, and Aioz network has fully established their point. Now, I actually think there is a world where Aioz can get back above its previous high. Its previous high was $1, a couple dollars. It's like $2.20 or so. Sorry, $2.67. These charts suck. I think this can get to $3. I really do. Because I think we're going to see a boom in deep in cryptos this year, because it is at the moment a narrative that is of particular interest to a lot of people. Now, one thing that bodes well for Aioz is obviously, like during the bear cycle, there wasn't much volume coming through it, but the volume did surge and do quite well. Not amazingly, but did do quite well so far this year. And the fact that it's reached hundreds of millions of dollars in a day, it can do that again. And when it can get to that kind of consistency in terms of volume, what we will see is someone like Binance listing it, because why wouldn't they? They want to get in on the action. Trading fees are where they can make their money. So Aioz, if they can get listed on Binance, could actually blast way beyond $3. I think $3 is still a really sound and fair target. But if they get listed on Binance, you could, in theory, see Aioz get into, $6 or $7. You really could. Which would be an incredible year when you bear in mind at one point it was like 1.2 cents. So the future for Aioz looks really bright. Again, a massive thing is going to be deep in. Like how much does the deep in narrative take hold? Because AI keeps rearing its head, and base as a narrative is going to be, is already big and it's going to get bigger. So there is a lot of room for Aioz to go, but if deep in sort of doesn't start taking hold as a narrative, it could just sort of fizzle out a little bit. Not in terms of like how long it's going to be around, more just in terms of the price potential. But this could easily be a $3 coin, and it's actually, fundamentally, if you want to get some Aioz, but you're not sure about putting in the money, run a node. The nodes are really simple to run. You just install the app and you get cracking. Once you've done that, you're going to earn passively, and it's a nice passive income stream. So it's worth considering for anyone that is like, I don't really want to put in money into Aioz. Get a node. It's very easy to run. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. If you're running a node, how are the rewards? Are you enjoying those rewards? Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, we're in a bull cycle right now. If you don't have your portfolio sorted, you need to get it done. If you're going to wait 4 or 5 months, you're going to miss out on a ton of cash. Time is of the essence now. If you go onto copymycrypto.com, you will see what my members have earned, the successes we've had. You can see the testimonials. It's all public record. You can verify it all. Copymycrypto.com is where I do all the work. When I find a crypto that I want to buy, I tell my members what the crypto is and the price I'm buying it at. When I sell, I tell my members what crypto I'm selling and at what price. So there's no work for my members, and they make the exact same profit as me. And if that sounds good to you, like I say, go onto the site, read through it all, verify it all, because it's all on the history of this channel. And if you like what you read, try the service out, because you got about a month before these markets start moving. Time is of the essence, guys. That's it from me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.